Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about Webull, and more specifically, I'm going to answer a question that I've been getting a lot lately, and that is, how do you sell stock on a Webull? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, this is going to be a quick video. There's actually not a lot of steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to sell your stock on Webull? Well, that's pretty easy. Maybe a stock that you've invested in has skyrocketed, and now you want to take your profits, or maybe you're just pulling your investment out to invest in something else. Whatever the case is a pretty easy process. It's all handled here in the app. It's this blue and white one right here. Be sure to check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well, but I'm going to open up my Webull app and it should bring you right here to the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you would like to sell your stock on Webull, you want to click on this little button down here on the bottom center. It kind of looks like a circle with some bullhorns in it. Okay, once you click there, it's going to bring up your accounts page showing all the assets that you have inside of your Webull account. As you can see, I just have a little bit of money inside my Webull account. But if you still want to go ahead and sell your stock on Webull, you want to scroll through your positions and choose which stock you're going to be trading. So for me today, I'm going to sell my Genworth Financial stock right here at the bottom. Once you found the stock that you would like to sell on Webull, go ahead and click on that line. Once you click there, it's going to bring up a little bit of information about the stock, and you have these two buttons down here at the bottom, close and buy. Today we're going to be selling stock on Webull, so in other words, closing a position, so I'll click on this red button. Next, you get these two options. You can either set up a take profit or stop loss, or you can go ahead and completely close out the position. So this one's going to be if you're going to be selling a portion of the stock, or you want to set up parameters where the stock sells if it reaches a certain threshold. Today we're simply going to sell the stock, so we'll go ahead and completely close out the position. So I'm going to click on close. Next, it's going to bring up the stock chart for your stock, and then you have a couple of different options you need to fill out. First, you want to choose if you're buying or selling. Today we are selling a stock on Webull, so that is correct. Next, you want to choose the order type. You can click in there, and then they have a couple of different order types. They have a market, a limit, stop limit, trailing stop. If you need help with that, go back and watch my other video that describes all of these different options in detail. But today we're going to go ahead and just do a limit order. Okay, once you've chosen the order type, go ahead and choose the limit price. You can either increase it or decrease it. We'll leave it at that. Next, you want to choose the quantity of stock that you will be selling on Webull. I only have one share of this particular stock, so we'll leave it at 1. And next, you get to choose the trading hours. So there's going to be more liquidity if you go during regular hours. However, you can elect to include extended hours if you wish to do so. For me, I'll leave it at only regular hours. And lastly, you want to choose time enforced for this sell order. You can choose day or good till canceled. For me, I'll go ahead and leave it as day. If all that looks good to you and you still want to go ahead and sell your stock on Webull, go ahead and click on this red sell order. Okay, now you do get one more pop-up confirmation. It lets you know which account you're selling from if you have multiple accounts, the quantity of the stock you will be selling on Webull, the limit price, and then your estimated proceeds. If all that looks good to you, go ahead and click this red confirm button. Okay, next you get this screen. It looks like my order has been filled. If you see this up here on the top right, so my average fill price is listed right here, when it was filled, order type, and then when the order was placed. And that's it. So that's the easiest way I know how to sell stock on Webull. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel. And I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.